Are you a tourist planning to visit the Philippines soon? Or an expat that has been working and living in the Philippines for quite some time? Are you worried about getting lost in translation or getting from point A to point B? Are you just overwhelmed by the unfamiliar way of life in the Philippines? Then this channel is for you, to point you to the right direction, to help you navigate through my country's way of life by using Filipino, our national language. Hi, I'm Christine, and I've been teaching Filipino language to foreigners for more than 10 years now. Welcome to my channel. Learn to speak Filipino for tourists and expats. You will pick up common and useful conversational Filipino expressions, words, phrases, and sentences that you can practice and apply right after you finish watching the videos. As a tourist or an expat, confidently navigate through the Philippine way of life as you learn to speak Filipino with me. See you in the next videos!